Everyone, welcome to Code Nation. In this video, we'll be knowing what machine learning is and how to apply for the machine learning workshop being conducted by Microsoft Student Ambassadors. Many of you might be aware of what machine learning is. Machine learning is changing the world by transforming all the segments like healthcare services, education, food, entertainment, and many more. So it has become very essential for all of us to know about this in demand application of technology and make our lives much more easier. So, if you are the one among the people who wants to learn machine learning, then here is a great opportunity for you. You can learn about machine learning by participating in a workshop which is being conducted by Microsoft Student Ambassadors. Let's see what you will be learning in this workshop. The very first thing is you will be able to understand what actually machine learning is, and the second and the most exciting thing is that you will build a machine learning model from scratch even if you have zero knowledge of coding. Few of you might have heard about machine learning earlier. Even though, let me give you an idea of what machine learning is. Machine learning is an interesting topic to be discussed, so a video of 5-6 minutes won't be sufficient to explain everything about machine learning. So I'll just try to explain you the term machine learning. So, being human, all of us have the ability to learn and get better at our work through our experience. When we were born, we know almost nothing and can do almost nothing for ourselves. But soon we started learning and understanding the world. So computers can do the same. Machine learning brings statistics and computer science together and enables computers to learn how to do a given task. Just as our brain uses experience to improve a task, computers also uses its past experience to understand things and predict results. To understand more clearly, let's take an example of a kid. Here, the kid is playing with fruits, and as a kid, he doesn't know the difference between an apple and a mango. As the kid grows, he tries to understand the difference between these fruits based on the size and color of these fruits. He might make mistakes sometimes by identifying the fruits like apple as mango and mango as apple. But soon he will learn from those mistakes and will try not to repeat those mistakes again. So the kid will learn from its past experience and will finally be able to differentiate between the fruits, like the red one with this shape is apple and the yellow one is mango. In the similar way, we can train the computers to predict the output by giving certain inputs. So a machine also learns from its past experience and tries to predict the output. This is what machine learning is. Now let's see what are the benefits of attending this workshop. It is a free workshop, so everyone can participate in this. You'll also get a free certificate and resources by Microsoft Student Ambassadors. The link for this workshop has been given in the description. So, upon clicking the link, you'll reach this site. Here you have to fill your name, email, and your college name, any questions that you want to ask in this session, and you have to mention that you're really excited for the session or not, and then click on the submit button. After clicking on the submit button, you'll receive a mail which will have the details regarding the session, like the details like date and time of the session. That's it for this video. Do like the video and subscribe the channel for further more updates on internship and job updates. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.